Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it is Tablescape Tuesdays and I am so excited. Now in today's video we have a guest and it's the 4R's Thrifting. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the guests down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because it is Tablescape Tuesdays and we're going to have some fun. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, as you can hear in my voice, I am trying to bounce back, but I am enjoying this so much. I'm going to go ahead, leave you to a little bit of music, and as I decorate this cozy table for two. Now let me tell you a little bit about this tablescape. So the tablecloth was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army, and the placemats, I got that at Hobby Lobby. Those are absolutely beautiful, along with those white chargers. Now the buffalo check plates, those came from the Dollar Tree, and believe it or not, those beautiful Christmas dishes, I absolutely love those. Those were thrifted, and I think I got those at the Goodwill. Now the utensils in the sleeve, I got that at the Dollar Tree. The napkins were thrifted, and I got that at the Salvation Army. And then the napkin rings, those are absolutely gorgeous. I got those at Hobby Lobby. Now, if you guys haven't been over to the 4Rs thrifting, you are missing out because this is an absolutely beautiful channel. She does fireplace mantles, she does tablescapes, she does all kinds of stuff, and it is beautiful. You would not be disappointed. Subscribe to her channel and go over there and show her some love, guys. Now, I am absolutely loving those candle holders that the Dollar Tree's carrying now. And I also purchased those in gold. The coasters, I got that at Hobby Lobby. That is one of the cutest things, those little chopping blocks. Now, the Dollar Tree's carrying those beautiful mugs that say bed and breakfast. And so what I decided to do was DIY them and stick a peppermint stick in there and make it a candle. And then the white is supposed to be marshmallows. This DIY was so beautiful. This would make a really good gift idea. Now we are lighting the candles and we're gonna head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to say thank you to the 4R's Thrifting for hosting this collaboration with us. I think these DIYs with these mugs came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. Those spiral Christmas trees, by the way, I got those at Dollar General, and all of the candles in the front of the table, those came from the Dollar Tree. This tablescape is so cozy and warm. It is just so beautiful. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.